Are you ready to change your life? If so, Systeme.io can help. Have you ever wondered how some small businesses explode online while others barely make a ripple? Well, here's the answer: meet Systeme.io, your all-in-one marketing toolkit. Whether you're a course creator, a freelancer, or a small business owner, Systeme.io has got you covered. Imagine replacing all your marketing tools with one simple platform. Well, now you can, and the best part is that Systeme.io is totally free and you get lifetime access. Learn how to dominate online marketing with Systeme.io's comprehensive certification. Become a funnel building wizard and unlocks your success now. With Systeme.io, you have this unbelievable opportunity to do just that. Forget the endless subscriptions to a dozen different marketing tools. Imagine having everything you need to build, launch, and grow your online business, all under one roof. This is the power of Systeme.io, an all-in-one marketing platform designed to empower entrepreneurs like you to take control of their success. Systeme.io isn't just about saving you money and simplifying your workflow. It's about giving you the tools and resources you need to turn your dreams into a thriving online business. Here's how Systeme.io can be your game changer. Systeme.io offers effortless website building, no coding experience needed. Systeme.io's drag-and-drop website builder allows you to create beautiful, professional websites in minutes. From landing pages to sales funnels, you can tailor your online presence to perfectly represent your brand and resonate with your audience. Systeme.io offers a powerful and intuitive sales funnel builder that convert website visitors into paying customers. You can also design automated email sequences, landing pages, and order forms that seamlessly guide visitors through the buying journey. Systeme.io's analytics tools allow you to track every step of the process, so you can optimize your funnels for maximum conversions. Systeme.io provides everything you need to create captivating email campaigns, manage your subscriber list, and track results. You can stay connected with your customers, nurture leads, and drive sales with personalized email marketing that gets noticed. You can also create and sell online courses and share your knowledge and expertise with the world. Systeme.io empowers you to create and sell engaging online courses directly through your website. From hosting video lessons to managing student enrollment and payments, Systeme.io simplifies the entire process. Systeme.io offers a powerful certification course that empowers and enables you to be successful in your online endeavors. Systeme.io is powerful, but mastering its functionalities might seem daunting at first. That's where the Systeme.io certification course comes in. This comprehensive program equips you with the knowledge and skills to unlock the full potential of the platform. By enrolling, you'll gain access to expert-led video tutorials, downloadable resources, and hands-on exercises. Become a Systeme.io pro and build your online business with confidence. Imagine the possibilities. Don't wait any longer. Take control of your future and join the thousands of entrepreneurs who have transformed their lives with Systeme.io. Start building your online business empire. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share.